कहाँ रहते हो सर आप? नोएडा में ही रहते हो? गुड़गांव?
Last 3 years I was in Gurgaon. Now I've gone to Dehradun.
अच्छा, मूव टू देहरादून नाउ?
Why?
व्हाई?
No, Gurgaon doesn't. Yani my work remains over here only. I come for my boot camps and everything. But I love mountains. अब जो मैं initially when I left army and the job which I was doing, उसके लिए मुझे high net worth individuals की जरूरत थी. वो
That's
that
why Gurgaon.
business I'm not. Yeah, that was it was. Actually I'd moved to London. मैं तो लंदन चला गया था after leaving army. London,
अच्छा.
Europe, I was there.
2022 you left?
September 22. Yeah.
Okay.
September 22 I left and then
Moved to London.
I moved over there. Not completely. I did a course. I was doing some work over there, some close protection and some kind of work. And then I came back and started my company. That's why I wasn't based out of Gurgaon.
अच्छा. That was
Because
into,
that was 2023.
and the company is into security services.
It was into providing close protection, which we loosely term as
PSOs.
bodyguards in India.
PSOs.
Personal security officers or close protection guys
Okay.
for high net worth individuals. But that business never clicked.
Because of the market size or what?
Not because of the market side, because India being an unorganized market, people don't have knowledge of that.
कि क्यों ज़रूरत है?
क्यों जरूरत है, or what is high quality, what is
हाँ.
actually
हाँ.
they want those burly guys.
हाँ,
with
हाँ,
what-
गाँव से आते हैं सारे. हाँ.
So it was not. But then and the other thing was कि मैंने कभी अपनी cost, if somebody was charging 50-60K
हाँ.
per month, so I was telling I will charge 1 lakh. So I never reduced my cost. And it never worked. So मैंने 2 साल उसको काफी, I did a lot of sales pitch and all, but
One.
thereafter I gave it up.
Then
Then on the second hand, my this social media happened. I never went to anyone.
हाँ.
People came to me. I don't know why.
हाँ.
So then I started. I'm not an influencer, but I do. If I feel like doing a particular thing, I did. This thing happened. Then I started with, because of my experience in special forces, so self-defense, personality development, because that becomes inherent. And now though I'm totally earning my livelihood from motivational talks
Okay.
and being a peak performance mentor, telling people how to achieve the best version, how to achieve their best version. फिर वो उस साइड में चला गया. Social media also did. So became brand ambassador of a tactical gear brand, Cliff Climbers. Protein brands भी थे. वो some things work, something does not work. So I keep on trying. So, but now this is, I'm writing books, and there are 2 publishing houses. One is my memoir only, which I'll be writing, and the other one is on mindset. So by this year end, I plan to finish 2 books,
Okay.
and let's see. So it's going great. यानी कि by God's grace, I'm having a, I would say, a lavish life. God has been kind to me. I work hard.
To Dehradun.
Yeah, now I've moved to Dehradun because I
With
love
family.
mountains.
You-
I live, personally, I live alone.
Okay.
But my wife and kids, because I've last 3-4 years after leaving army, so I am moving a lot.
Right.
London, Europe, came back, Gurgaon, this. So I didn't want to break their path. So once things are settled, let's see where it goes. But yeah, I enjoy being in Dehradun. I've just shifted a month back. But my work still remains in Delhi because the economics and the money flows.
Corporates are there.
Corporates, for event I travel anywhere in India, but my boot camps and all presently I'm doing in Gurgaon.
किस तरीके के बूट कैंप्स हैं ये?
It's basically about being a, it's more about mindset, how to achieve your best version,
Right.
and how you can be a apex performer, how you can be the best version of yourself, what daily routines you need to have, आपको क्या दिन में काम करना है, किस प्रकार से अपना, right from the word you get up in the morning, what kind of motivation, what kind of discipline, what kind of routine, ये सब आप कैसे सेट करोगे. Then, and it's all my examples.
Right.
Because during the course of this journey, I will be 48 this year. So whatever since my childhood, whatever during my formative years, as a student, because I was a very average guy.
Uh-huh.
I was very outdoors में
While in your school.
in your school and college.
Okay.
And I was very good in outdoors, but academics I was not that great.
Okay.
So what happened was that then I joined army. How did I didn't clear my SSB in the first go, second go, third go I reached. Then I went to special forces. I couldn't clear my first probation. मैंने second probation clear किया, फिर मेरा थोड़े differences हो गए. Again came out, then went for the third probation. So if you see this, all the things, even after leaving army,
Mm-hmm.
business starting, failing, social media coming down, some brand endorsements work, some did not work. So all these things, whatever has accumulated, so I tell ki how you can basically take data, आप setbacks और failure से rather than कि मर गए पैसे लुट गए तो ठीक है, पैसे तो लुट गए जो लुटने हैं, तो आप how can you be the best version? So I give my example. I see, and one of the modules is totally about mindset, how
Correct.
to have to be in that correct mind space जिसमें आप बेस्ट वर्जन अचीव करोगे. एंड इट्स पॉसिबल, बिकॉज जब मैं बोलता हूं कि वो पॉसिबल है, बिकॉज मैं बिल्कुल एवरेज था. आई कुडंट स्पीक वेल.
Right.
I was not a great, I would say, too fluent in English. I was not good in academics. I was just very good in outdoors.
Mm-hmm.
So, if some young aspirant or a young guy or an entrepreneur या फिर कोई वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल सुन रहा है, यू शुड नॉट, यानी पीपल गेट मोटिवेटेड वेरी डीमोटिवेटेड बहुत पहले अपनी जिंदगी में. देयर इज ऑलवेज अ चांस टू इम्प्रूव.
Okay.
देयर इज ऑलवेज अ चांस कि आप लाइफ में कभी भी यू कैन पिवट.
Mm-hmm.
पिवट इन द सेंस यू कैन बाउंस बैक,
Correct.
है ना. तो ये हुआ. एंड तो पहला जो मॉड्यूल है बूट कैंप का, वो इन सब के बारे में होता है. और जो दूसरा मॉड्यूल है वो बेसिकली होता है लीडरशिप के बारे में.
Okay.
व्हाट इज ट्रू लीडरशिप. ये नहीं कि बोलने वाली, बट हाउ माई ऑपरेशंस, जैसे उसमें केस स्टडीज हैं. माई बडी गॉट किल्ड, वी वर डिप्लॉयड समवेयर इन
Right.
इनहॉस्पिटेबल टेरेन. तो वहाँ पर लीडरशिप कैसी होनी चाहिए. सम काइंड ऑफ, if you're working with high performance individuals, because special forces is best of the best, है ना.
Right.
तो वहाँ पर सभी धुरंधर हैं.
Mm-hmm.
there is not one धुरंधर. तो उन धुरंधर में से भी उनको कैसे कंट्रोल में रखना है. सो यू आपको वो लीडर बनना है जो नॉर्मल लोग चल रहे हैं,
Leader of the leaders.
लीडर्स ऑफ द लीडर और डेविल्स ऑफ द डेविल, वट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू कॉल इट, इट इज योर विश. बट उनको कैसे लीड करना है. व्हेन यू कैन कंट्रोल, जब आप उन लोगों को कंट्रोल कर सकते हो, देन नॉर्मल पीपल हु आर जस्ट लिविंग फ्रॉम come back,
Correct.
have 9 to 5 life.
Civilians.
No,
Like
not
ourselves.
civilians, even army guys.
Okay.
Many army guys are also like civilians only,
Yeah. Not in the ops.
not in the ops.
Okay.
So they are not working. It might be a job, but it's not a passion. So this is all how. Plus in between, thoda bahut threat and risk assessment. If a Pahalgam like situation comes, you are, how to protect yourself. You're going to a mall with your
How to
girlfriend.
protect yourself as in yourself?
Yourself or your loved ones. In case of scenarios like that,
Sure.
you are sitting in a restaurant, where to sit, how to sit, what to look. So basically थोड़ा बहुत threat and risk assessment. Street fights, knife attacks, nobody teaches that. ये ऐसे घुमाना तो वर्ल्ड में सारे के ऐसे हथियार रख दिया, वो तो तब चलता ही रहता है. That is all nonsense which is shown. How to really protect yourself. And so my experience in London, when I went over there, it's not even taught in special forces.
Post your army days.
Post my army days.
Okay.
So because over there, I got to interact with a lot of special forces across the world.
Acha.
Special Air Service, Green Berets. वो Special Air Service I never met in my service career, but उनके बंदे वो वाला कोर्स कर रहे थे.
Acha.
Italian Special Forces, Canadian, Iranian Special Forces.
Okay.
ठीक है, Romanians, quite a bit of French Foreign Legionnaires. वो सब थे उधर. तो उनसे थोड़ा थोड़ा, because I was always a learner, तो मैंने सीखा कि how the tricks of the trade. So that happened. So वो वाला थोड़ा चीज़ सिखाता हूँ उस बूट कैंप में. देन स्पाइस इट अप विद व्हाट डू यू कॉल इमीडिएट फर्स्ट एड, बेसिक लाइफ सपोर्ट. किसी को CPR कैसे देना है, ठीक है, किसी को रिकवरी पोजीशन क्या होता है, प्राइमरी सर्विस, सेकेंडरी सर्विस क्या होता है. नॉट एग्जैक्ट ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ अ गन शॉट वुंड बिकॉज सिविलियंस वोंट रिक्वायर टू गिव द ट्रीटमेंट फॉर गन शॉट वुंड, है ना.
Okay.
So
Take this also.
I'll help myself. So वो सब चलता है. And then because it is an expensive session for people to afford 20K for, so it is a 12-hour session but it goes for 15-16 hours. So yesterday I was in
Achha.
Gurgaon.
It's
It
just in a
starts
day.
at 7:30 quarter to 8
Okay.
in the morning at Taj City Center. And it continues till kal wala 9. The maximum I have gone is 10:30.
Okay.
So people have their personal doubts also. So they come and so I don't stop them because they are coming to meet me. So there is no assistant. It is me with the guys and telling them. So
And what is the sort of gentry which is coming?
working
to this?
professionals are more because students
Yes.
can't afford it. I
Entrepreneurs?
get a lot of requests ki you can reduce the cost. I think so quality comes at a price. I am the
Yes.
firm believer of that. So I tell them ki it might not increase, the cost of the course might not increase near future में नहीं बढ़ेगी, but it will never come down.
But you can do a session for students also.
What
Stadium
I
भर के.
I can do that. I can do that. There is no problem of that. And some of its content
हाँ.
जो मेरा अपना YouTube
A
channel है,
summarize
हाँ,
form
some
of
kind
content.
of
People will be
content,
very interested.
I put it on my YouTube also as vlogs,
Hmm.
but not completely because you see अब हम जैसे यही पॉडकास्ट अगर वर्चुअल हो रहा है,
हाँ.
so it doesn't have that
Intensity.
intensity
Yeah. Correct.
that we
Correct.
don't, यानी कि we are not showing
Aura-
it.
aura नहीं जा
हाँ,
पाती
वो
है.
जा नहीं पाता, वो
हाँ.
फैल नहीं. That is why I have done online podcasts also.
Right.
But sitting in upfront with a person और उससे बात करना is
वो बहुत
totally,
different
it's a
है.
totally different
Yeah,
game. ठीक है. So, but people who can't afford, I try to make some kind of vlogs because I have my own channel also by Shivendra Convert.
Yeah.
So I make on fitness and all those. तो उसका मैं कुछ part
I've
उसमें डालता हूँ.
I've seen your video by the way.
Yeah. So I put something on that.
Hmm.
But obviously now, once I'm into Dehradun, I'm planning to make that boot camp into 3 or 4 day camp.
Okay.
So that will be the perfect place to, yani ki really, it will have 2-3 hours of physical training, self defense, everything, plus mindset, plus treks, usko survival skills. So I think India mein to I will make it the best one. I have no doubts about it. Somebody is better than me in that kind of things. So it will be but then I have to work out economics, I have to work out resort. So that's how I plan to do it. But this is generally that whole boot camp is all about. वो स्पेशल फोर्सेस में 1 घंटा सो लिए, प्रोबेशन चल ली, 40 किलोमीटर भाग लिए, वो that people know, people are aware. But where the difference lies is कि how much resilient you are in the mind. हाँ, कि कितना आप thick skinned हो कि जब आपको failures पे failures मिल रहे हैं and you are continuing.
Correct.
So that comes where the mind plays. The body and also we are like 19-20, 19-20 का ही फर्क होगा,
हाँ.
है ना. So it is where the mind comes into play.
That's
It is
right.
where fortitude is there. It is where resilience is there. It is कि कहाँ पे हम लोग, where we win or lose battles.
Mm-hmm.
Anyone. And it is for across the board, whether he is a sports star, athlete, entrepreneur, working professional, student, defense, paramilitary forces, security, anyone on this earth, you have to be mentally more stronger. The game lies over here.
That is true.
हाँ, यानी कि it is being
Correct.
the act of, I would say, resilience को embrace करने का जो वो है ना जज्बा, वो बनाना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है.